account left.
Okay, when did you get back to counting?
After Pearl Harbor and the Nikkiao incident, the U.S. government was like, what if all these Japanese citizens turn on us? If only we could intern them, but how would we count them? And we were like, we're great at counting. In fact, we've even done this before.
What do you mean you've done it before?
Turns out before during World War II, Germany wanted to count the differences between everybody.
Dude! What the
You're listening to All Things Considered from NPR News.
Oh, God!
Recording. 3 channels started.
Hindi, may nakaharang.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Hindi, may nakaharang. Oh. Ano yun? Hindi ko naiwasan ko, Ha?
There are beings in this world who are neither human nor codes, something related to both. You call them the faceless immortals. Conqueror, Wax said. Like Tensoon, the Guardian, or the person who gave me this hearing. They can take the corpses of the dead, and you...
You did not just do that. Rick?
That house back there had a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer as tall as
Policy is hiring. See the sign over there?
Let's just be honest, Mom. If you have 2 to 3, that's
幾得意啊，肥肥哋，我中意呢種，不過唔夠老。
屌你，笑。錯咗，已撞，
撞咗啊！
已撞。
睇住睇住。
唔關。
#85 for Pueblo. And then for Wednesday, partly to variably cloudy skies. Again, a chance for showers primarily in the afternoon. Highs in the mid to upper 60s to mid 70s. I'm Storm Track 13 meteorologist Chevy Chevrolet.
This report is sponsored by Staples. Your local Staples has hot deals and super low prices throughout the store on everything for your business. And right now at Staples, save up to $125 off your friends or exclusions apply. Visit Staples.
Becoming lost or disoriented doesn't. Confusion with time or place may be a sign of Alzheimer's. An early diagnosis can help improve the quality of life for your loved one. Learn
Jesus Christ, what are you doing? Holy shit.
Driving home from work today, I was driving down 36 eastbound, just across Dale there, and I came across this driver. He looked like he was struggling a little bit to keep it on the road. As you can see, he's kind of on the shoulder there. I thought, well, maybe I'll follow him for a little bit and see what he's up to. He's probably either staring at his phone or drunk. There he's on the shoulder again. And once I got up closer to him, I noticed he had whiskey plates. Almost exited there, not quite. And if you're not familiar with whiskey plates, there he goes again. Minnesota will give you these certain plates that start with a W. So you can drive to and from work after you've got a DWI or driving while intoxicated. It allows you to go to work so you can keep your job, but you're not supposed to go anywhere else. Looks like this guy might have stopped off at the local pub and had a few. So I thought, well, they didn't change lanes, didn't signal, didn't. But it appeared like he was going to exit to go southbound 35E here, and I just thought I'd part ways with him and give him a little wave. But he had a change of heart and decided not to go southbound 35E, and this is when I decided to get the state patrol involved. I did call the state patrol, gave him his whiskey plate number there, and I did follow him for a little bit, but I kind of lost him in heavy traffic. I didn't want to do any dangerous maneuvers to keep up with him. So hopefully the state patrol got him maybe when he got home. I don't know.